In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy XRP on eToro. This walkthrough assumes you're already logged in and ready to place a trade, and I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along with confidence. First, let's find XRP. On the eToro dashboard, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the screen. Click into it and type XRP or Ripple. You should see XRP appear in the results. Select it to open the XRP asset page. Take a moment here to confirm you're on the correct page by checking the ticker symbol, a live price chart, and key market details. This page is where you'll place your order and review information like recent price movements. If you're new to the layout, it can help to hover over labels or icons to see brief explanations of what they do. Now, let's place the buy order. On the XRP page, click Trade or Buy. This opens the order ticket. In the amount field, enter how much money you want to spend on XRP. eToro typically lets you specify the amount in your account's currency rather than the number of coins, which keeps things straightforward. Double-check the figure before moving on. Next, choose how you want the order to execute. If you pick immediate trade, sometimes shown as a market order, your purchase will be placed at the current available market price. This is the fastest way to buy and is useful when you want to enter the market right away. Keep in mind that the final executed price can vary slightly due to normal market movement. If you prefer more control over the price, choose limit order. With a limit order, you set the exact price at which you want to buy XRP. Type your desired price into the limit field. The order will only execute if the market reaches that price, which can help you aim for a specific entry point. If the market doesn't touch your price, the order will remain pending until that condition is met or until you cancel it later. Before you finalize, review everything on the ticket. Make sure it says buy, confirm the amount you're spending, and verify whether you've selected immediate trade or limit order. When it all looks right, click to confirm the order. For an immediate trade, you should see the position appear shortly in your portfolio. For a limit order, you'll see it listed as an open order until the price is reached. That's it. You've located XRP, chosen your order type, entered your amount, and confirmed your buy on eToro.